Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making a reliable backup and placing both phones side by side. Use iCloud or an encrypted computer backup so app data and passwords move with you. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID and confirm iCloud Drive and app toggles are on. Make sure both devices are plugged in and on the same Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Start Quick Start or Restore from Backup now. This kicks off app download and settings transfer automatically, so don't lock screens. You'll see most apps download automatically, but some require manual attention. Open the App Store to monitor the queue and tap a paused icon to prioritize essential apps first. If an app stalls, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage to offload or delete and reinstall it. That forces a fresh download. Once done, consider toggling Wi-Fi off and on or switching to a fast cellular connection for a few apps if Wi-Fi remains slow. Keep patience. Large apps and encrypted data take time to restore. You're in the final stretch. Open critical apps and sign back into accounts where needed, then re-enable permissions like location or photos. Make sure app data appears. If something's missing, use iCloud. Calm or connect to the computer and restore from the encrypted backup you created. If syncing fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID and reboot the phone. This often clears hung downloads and authentication issues. Finally, check settings for any app privacy toggles and confirm automatic downloads are enabled to keep apps synced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.